question 78 subsets from LeetCode. Let's jump to the question. Given an integer array norms of unique elements return all possible subsets, the power set, the solution set must not contain duplicate set and return the solution in any order. So what do we have here? We are going to have an array of unique elements and we are going to return all possible subsets. And one constraint that we have here, the solution must not contain duplicates and the order does not matter. As you see in this example that we have here, so this is the input that we are going to get, noms including these elements, and this is what we are going to return, which is the all the combinations of elements of the this unique array. And as you see here, an empty list is a possible subset of this array. And for the second example, as you see, it has only one element, and the same, an empty list is a possible subset of this array. So let's see how we can use this empty list that is going to be a possible subset of all different unique arrays, all different arrays to solve the problem. So this is the solution that we are going to explain here with this example, noms including 1, 2, 3, to better understand this code. First thing first, we are going to have a combination which is list of all possible solutions that we are going to return at the end. And what we are going to have here, we are going to add an empty list as a possible subset to the combination from the beginning, because this is going to be the same for every different arrays. And what we're going to do next, we are going to iterate over every single elements of the array. So we are going to iterate over these elements of the array. And what we are going to do, we are going while we are iterating over, what we are going to do, we are going to use this element and the combination that we have from the previous step to create the new subsets. What do I mean by that? So as you see here, this is from the previous step that we have, and what we are going to do, we are going to combine these two, and as you see, we are going to iterate over all the combinations that we have in combination, and we are going to append these two together. So as you see here, 1 plus the list of 1 plus an empty a list is going to generate this item. This is how we are generating the new subsets. So let's go through the second element to better understand the code. So this is the second element of the array, which is number 2 that we have here. We are going to use this one and the one that we have from the previous step. As you see, this is from the previous step to generate new items. So as you see here, these are from the previous step. What we are going to do, we are going to combine, we are going to append 2 here to the previous elements that we have. So this is what is happening here. So 2 plus an empty list is going to generate 2, and 2 plus 1 is going to generate 1 plus 1 and 2, this list, right? So let's go through the element, the third element that we have here, right? So we are going to use the previous combination that we have made. These are all the previous one that we have made to generate new subsets, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to add 3, right, to every single element, to every single subset that we have from the previous steps, right? So 3 is going to be added to every single one of them, and this way we are going to generate new subset, right? So here, as you see, when we an empty list to list of element 3 is going to generate this one, and these two are going to generate 1 and 3, and these two are generating 2 and 3, and these two are generating 1, 2, 3. And that's how we can create all the possible subset. Thank you.